In this video, I'll show you how to delete conversations in Google Gemini. If you want to remove one chat or clear a larger part of your Gemini history, Google gives you two main ways to do it. You can delete a single conversation directly from your recent chats, or you can delete Gemini Apps Activity from the Activity Settings page. Google also says that when you delete a chat from your pinned or recent chats, it is also deleted from Gemini Apps Activity. Let's start with deleting one conversation. On the Gemini web app, open gemini.google.com and sign in. If your chat list is hidden, click the menu button first. Then, on the side panel, hover over the conversation you want to remove, click More, and choose Delete. That removes the selected chat from your recent or pinned chats. If you're using the Gemini mobile app on Android, open the app, tap Menu at the top, then under Recent, touch and hold the conversation you want to delete. After that, tap Delete. Google's Gemini Help page shows the same delete option from the recent chats area on mobile. Now let's look at deleting more than one conversation. On a computer, go to Gemini, click Settings and Help, then open Activity. You can also go directly to your Gemini Apps Activity page. There, Google lets you delete all activity, the last hour, the last day, or a custom range. This is the better option if you want to clean up a bigger portion of your Gemini history instead of removing chats one by one. There are also a couple of important things to know. Google says that if you delete activity for a Gemini live chat, the related audio, transcript, and recordings for that activity are also deleted. Google also notes that deleting a conversation with a gem does not delete the gem itself, and deleting a shared chat does not delete the related public link. And if you want less history saved in the future, you can also adjust your auto-delete settings for Gemini Apps Activity. Google says the default auto-delete setting can be changed from 18 months to 3 months, 36 months, or indefinite, depending on what you prefer. So the full process is simple. Delete a single chat from the recent chats list, or open Gemini Apps Activity to delete a larger range of conversations and manage how long future activity is kept. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.